Yeah. Gimme.
This is our kids sharing a swing because they are so dainty.
Oh my God, I love it. Gimme.
Leah, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I love you. Gimme.
Do you like swinging? Huh? Is there like swinging?
Gimme. Oh my God, I love her.
Boo!
Oh, you have fun.
Boo!
I'm gonna get this a piece.
Hi, baby. Hi, little baby. Hi, little baby.
Gimme.
Hi, mama's girl.
Gimme.
Hi, mama's girl. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, shoot.
Mwah.
Gimme.
Gimme.
Mwah. Mwah. Gimme. Yeah. You're the cutest. Yeah. Gimme.
They look like conjoined twins.
That is the cutest shit I've ever seen. Sorry.
Fuck it.
Hey, don't say that word about my daughter.
My virgin ears can't handle it. Stop.
Say hi.
Look at his bloody shirt.
Tilly, did you start your period early? I did. It came out of my mouth instead.
Why is it all of your shirt? Did you have to wipe it with your shirt?
No, it just came out. Instead of my period normally coming out where it's supposed to, it came out of my neck hole.
Oh.
My neck hole.